These are the deadliest animal weapons ever created. First, the US Bat Bomb. During World War II, the American military strapped tiny bombs to thousands of bats and released them over Japanese cities. The bats would hide inside wooden buildings and burn them down from the inside. Next, the Soviet anti-tank dog. The Red Army trained dogs to carry explosives under enemy tanks, but the problem was the dogs were trained on Soviet tanks, so they ran straight back toward their own side and blew them up instead. Then there's the CIA's acoustic kitty. Surgeons spent 5 years implanting microphones inside a live cat to spy on the Kremlin. On its first mission, it got hit by a taxi.